Nakshatra. Today I will share thought of the day. Wherever life plans you go with praise. Thank you.
Morning friend, I am Vidya Lakshmi. Today my topic is pumpkin. Pumpkin is a healthy vegetable. It is good for eyes and heart. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I'm Kathleen. My topic is peanuts. Peanut is good for healthy. The skin color. Thank you.
Good morning friends. My name is Makepeace Umama Matthew. Today I'm going to talk about potato. This is potato. It's a vegetable. It's yellow color. I like potatoes because it's very nice. It's good for health. Thank you.
Good morning all. I am Farsan. This is cucumber. This color is green. It's a vegetable. It's salad. Good morning all. I'm Asrika. I'm capsicum. I'm in bell shape. I have bright colors. I give you vitamin C. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Sarah. Today I'm going to tell about broccoli. Broccoli is a superfood full of vitamins A, B and E. Good for bones and brain. Thank you. Bye-bye everyone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.